Hello, good evening. This is Joan of Art. Gold is the new black. This is the famous line of Lily Cruz in today's episode of Wildflower. So let's try to translate what she said in Hiligay Noon. Ako si Lily Cruz, buhay na buhay. Well, in Ilonggo, it's still the same. Ako si Lily Cruz, buhi nga buhi. Bad. Ako si Lily Cruz, buhi kaayo. Bulawan ang bag-o nga itom. And then she said, I am indestructible like gold. Hindi ako maguba kapareho sang bulawan. I am indestructible. Ako hindi maguba. Hindi ako maguba. I am indestructible, just like gold. Ako hindi maguba. Ako hindi maguba. Kapareho sang bulawan. Hindi ako maguba. Kapareho sang bulawan. Bulawan is malleable, right? So, I don't know if... Okay, just leave it. It's my lame spoof of today's episode of Wildflower. Maybe we'll do better next time, but that's all that I could interpret. And really, acting, whether it's drama or comedy, it's not really for me. So this is Joan of Art in our Ilonggo series. Until next time, LSS, like, subscribe, share. Bye-bye.